Module 6, Changes in Matter and Chemical Reactions. Introduction.
Believe it or not, you've learned a lot about how compounds behave in nature just by being around it. You're familiar with how water can take three forms: solid water like the ice cubes in this glass, liquid water like the fluid in the glass, and gaseous water in the form of clouds and steam. And you know this because you've seen it. You also know that these changes can happen from one to the other. If we heat up the ice cubes, they change from solid water to liquid water. And if we continue to add heat, they'll become gaseous water as water vapor. But what about when I fry this egg? It was a liquid consistency when I cracked it into the pan. But now is it a solid? Yes. When I add heat to the solid ice cube, it melts to become liquid again. But can I add heat to this egg to make it liquid again? Of course not. Isn't that curious? Well, in this module, we'll build on the information you've already learned. Now that you understand how elements are groups of collected atoms and how compounds are groups of collected molecules, and what molecules look like, along with their shapes and the periodic properties of elements, we can discuss more ways that atoms and molecules can combine to form matter. We'll also look at the different ways that matter can change, particularly learning about the chemical reaction.